America didn't push faith out of public life. It started by protecting it. From the very beginning, the United States was built on a clear belief about human rights. The founders said our rights come from God, not from government. They believed government exists to protect rights, not to hand them out. Because people are imperfect, they also believed no one should hold too much power. That's why they created checks and balances. They also believed religion helped people become honest and moral citizens, which is why prayer and faith were common in public life. Over time, that understanding began to change. About 150 years later, courts started using the phrase wall of separation between church and state. The goal was fairness, not hostility. But the law slowly developed a split personality. Prayer was banned in public schools because children might feel pressured. At the same time, prayer in Congress was allowed as a historical tradition. Same Constitution, same First Amendment, different rules. That confusion set the stage for a modern case that made this debate real. Joe Kennedy was a high school football coach in Washington state. After games, he would walk to the 50-yard line, kneel, and say a short, silent prayer of thanks. He didn't invite anyone or preach. Over time, some students chose to join him. The school district told him to stop, arguing that because he was a government employee on a public field, his prayer looked like the school was supporting religion. When Kennedy refused to stop praying privately, he was placed on leave and his contract was not renewed. And this is where the story turns. The court ruled that Coach Kennedy did not lose his rights when he put on a whistle. As long as no one is forced, faith is not forbidden. That decision didn't create a new freedom, it restored an old one. It reminded the nation that the First Amendment protects people of faith, not silence in public life. Freedom of religion is being restored. Thank God. Here's the bottom line. Freedom of religion does not mean freedom from seeing faith at all. It means the freedom to live by your conscience without fear. Recent court decisions are restoring balance by protecting belief without coercion. That's not extreme. That's American. The goal was never silence. The goal was freedom.